128 fluid ounce bottle of Amazon Basics moisture-rich conditioner. Made with vitamin E. Formaldehyde donor-free, free from DMDM Hydantoin. Paraben phthalate-free. Helps restore vibrancy and makes dry, damaged hair soft without weighing it down. This product not tested on animals. Made in the USA. With U.S. and foreign components. If you like Tresemme-rich moisture conditioner, we invite you to try Amazon Basics moisture-rich conditioner. Alexa, reorder Amazon Basics conditioner. Satisfaction guarantee. We're proud of our products. If you aren't satisfied, we'll refund you for any reason within a year of purchase. Top reviews from the United States. Great product for the price and smells good. Tried it out for my low porosity hair.